Good morning, lovelies. Happy Thursday. How's everyone doing today? I didn't come on yesterday. I took a little bit of a break. So I just put on my primer like a minute ago. So I'm gonna let that dry. Goalie gummies. I take these every day. I love them. 2 gummies are a full shot of apple cider vinegar, and they're also packed with other great superfoods like pomegranate and beet juice, as well as vitamin B12 and B9. Helps me with energy, helps curb those cravings that I was having so bad, like I wanted to eat constantly. And then it also just helps with, digestion stuff. Like I don't have like the acid reflux kind of stuff I had going on there for a while. Getting older is wonderful. They are gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, organic, and unfiltered. I'll put a code in the description so you can get 5% off your purchase. Try them out. They do have Afterpay, which can split up your order into 4 payments, I believe. The other thing that is amazing about Goalie gummies, with every purchase, Goalie will donate to a organization called Vitamin Angels. And each donation provides 6 months of vitamins to children in need. So, love it. So I'm gonna take 2 of these while I wait for not 3. You can take up to 4 a day. I just do 2 in the morning. Sometimes I guess if I'm dragging in the afternoon, I'll take 2 more. But usually I have enough coffee in my system that I'm good to go. Okay. La 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 la. All right, now we're gonna put on our time locker spray. Just helps at that. La 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 la. Whew. Okay. Get our hair out of the way. I forgot to look up what I called this shirt. I always forget. I think this is the Hazley. And I forget how much Hazley is. BRB. Okay, I'm back. So Hazley is $29. Hazley comes in this one, which is navy, white, and yellow. And then I also have Hazley with orange on the bottom as well. If you follow my stories or my other posts throughout the day, I'll post pictures of it and stuff so you all can see it. Okay, so now I'm going to speed up this part where I put on my foundation and everything. If this is your first time joining in, go back to another video. I'll give you the details in that one, but we're just gonna speed it up and be quicker today, okay? BRB. Okay, now I have my foundation, concealer brightener, contour on, blush, highlighter. Now we're gonna do our eyes. So I think for the eyes today, I'm going to kind of mimic my top today. So I'm going to use the Farmasi Pineapple pigment, okay? And I'm going to use then something from one of my Morphe palettes. Let me see if this one, oh, that one's purple. That's pretty enough. This one's mostly purples. So I currently own 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Morphe palettes, and I think I just ordered 4 or 5 or 6 last night. Oh no, did I buy 2 of this one? Oh, giveaway. Oh, speaking of that, Lord in heaven, we're almost at the end of the month. I'm not even doing my job. All right, whew. So doing a giveaway for these things. So all you have to do is like and share this video, share the video to your own page, come back and say shared so I know it was you that shared it. This is the 3-in-1 face palette. So it has your contour, highlighter, and blush. All the things you need to perfect that little face. And then I'm also giving away with this a long last creamy eyeshadow in Pink Glow. It's just a nice like soft color that you can blend with anything, good for anybody. So yeah, like and share, you'll be entered into the drawing. It's for June only. This video, previous videos, get, share, happy. Okay, moving on. But I maybe accidentally got that palette again. I don't think so, but. Okay, so I'm going to do blue and the yellow. I'm going to do a halo look. Like I'm really digging the halo looks right now. So, listen. So I'm going to do like the blues around here, that pineapple pigment in the middle, maybe some fierce blue eyeliner. All right, we're gonna speed that up because I've been talking too long. All right, BRB. Okay, so I have my eyes done. As you can see, I went in with like a medium kind of blue and then darkened with a darker blue called Stid in the corners. I put my yellow pigment right there in the middle. I put yellow under here, which I don't know how I feel about that yet, and then some blue. So now I'm going to grab the Express eye pencil in blue sapphire, and I'm gonna go into my waterline with that. And on top. Okay. All right. I'm going to do my brows and mascara quick, and I'll BRB. Okay, now just for fun, I'm gonna grab this year's Morphe Palette. It's the 10G, and I'm going to grab this blue glitter, and I'm going to put it on the outer corner and the inner corner of my eyes. Yes, Oscar, I hear you. You're fine, puppy. Just for a little more zhuzh, because why not? Again, like I said before, if any month we're gonna go extra and a little extra zhuzh, of course it's gonna be Pride Month. Okay, so I'm going to use the lip color Bear because it is a nice neutral color on me. So there it is. Just really quick. You're okay. All right. Oscar, honey, you're fine. No, I know your life's so hard, honey, I know. All right, well, thank you all for joining me this morning on a quick get ready with me. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and we'll see you next time. Bye.